If you have never been to Amedzofe before, or you are planning on going for the new Canopy Walk, you have to watch this video. Franklin, and you're welcome to our channel, Tourism GH. Here we talk about nothing but tourism, discuss all about tourism in the whole of Ghana, but we are focusing on Volta for now. So like I said previously, Amedzofe now has a Canopy Walk. It's amazing, it's beautiful, it was crafted intelligently, and such that you even enjoy two experiences. There will be two experiences you enjoy when you go to this site alone. So stay back and then watch the video.
So this was our welcome address. We got to town, it was sunny and all beautiful. The cloud was blue and sweet, as we were seeing previously. We got here within like 7 minutes and hey, welcome address. And as always, reporting site should be the Tourism Information Center, which is this building right here. Yeah, so this is the Tourism Information Center. So when you get to town, you meet two main roads. Wherever you stop, or if you stop to the main junction, you get to two main roads. One on the right side heading towards the Amedzofe Educational Center. Then the other one moves right in front of you. You just go straight forward and you come towards this road to the Tourism Information Center. And this is a view of a mountain there. I learned one of the best hotels around the whole area is around here. So this is the Tourism Information Center. So in one of our episodes, you remember we were on this mountain. Remember? Today we are not here for the mountain though, but from the Tourism Information Center, Gimi is still prominent over there, way out there in the distance. I think there's a shed there now. We'll have to get closer or ask what is happening, but I think there's a shed there now, because back then you get there, if the sun is scorchy, no matter what is happening, you are left alone with the element. But I think there's some kind of a shed or
Have you seen this? Have you seen this? What this means is that there are some people in the forest just destroying the trees, just cutting them down, just chopping them down and killing the rainforest. No, 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 no. That is a no, 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 no.
So we started the trek now. Down we go. Please leave the city, you leave the city. Yeah. Please leave the city, you leave the city and come and see for yourself. Leave the city. I can guarantee you the traffic and things and the stress in the city, I beg you, spend 1 weekend, just 1 weekend at Amedzofe. One thing I can tell you for sure, when coming, don't carry anything heavy.
Yes.
Carry your water, And those who are into some kind of energy supplements, you carry that. Aside that, trust me, carry nothing. The view from here is just mesmerizing. So here, just on our construction site, you can see here, there's a massive pillar way down. Yeah, that's the trail. And I expect the experience not to be anything less. Charlie, I'm on a fever power.
So this is Krelov in your shorts, about to set out.
It's no joke, I tell you. It is not a joke. So welcome back to Earth from that amazing journey of the beautiful waterfall and then the canopy walk. We have taken 1,000 different ways, but the creators intelligently made it pass under the waterfall so that when you're on the canopy walk, you will enjoy a little bit of the OT falls at once. In other words, the canopy walk passes right under the OT waterfall and it's an amazing experience. If you're starting your journey, you start from the back here. It's like a triangle where you move along this arrow. When you get to this area where you can see all this round area, this is where you actually potentially get your water bath or your waterfall bath. From there, you just return with the arrow pointing back to your starting point. But if you think the journey is going to be short, you are in for a treat because, one, these signs you are seeing here, these arrows or these round circles, those are human beings. So that should tell you the scale of the waterfall and then the length. So you are in for a treat. It's quite lengthy. You enjoy it. Will be a full experience for you to enjoy. My question for you again is this. If you get there, will you have the confidence to walk over this? It's quite tall, and it's a little wobbly, of course, that's to be expected. My question is, tell me in the comment below if you actually be walking over it or if you actually be going for the experience. Those of you who will be visiting the place, I want you to take a picture, take a selfie with the waterfall and then the canopy walk, and then tag us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, wherever. Tag TourismGH and then hashtag visit Volta. In our next episode, we'll be telling you a secret about this waterfall. Truthfully, the waterfall has not been discovered fully. What we are seeing here now is not the full waterfall. Next episode, just hold on. Next episode, we'll tell you something awesome about this waterfall. So when you're heading back, make sure you get to the Tourist Information Center and then grab yourself some goodies for friends and know that there are some amazing frames of the waterfall over there. Get those ones and then we'll see you when we see you. Stema.